Hello, and welcome to the Falcon 64 project. This project is rebuilding a 64 Ford Falcon from a rust bucket on up. The end goal for this project is to have it as a streetable, drivable, good-looking car, mechanically strong. So stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of projects going on. Presently I have the rear end out of it. I'm going to be rebuilding the 8-inch rear end. Going back to drums on it because I want to keep my 14-inch rims. I had to replace the floors, so I have those floors all welded in and seal coated in. The underside all painted. The top side I'm going to sit here and put custom coatings, black bed liner spray in it. So stay tuned. This is going to be a long project. I'm not rich, so it's going to take a while. And just stay tuned for up and coming videos. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.